Hello everyone. It's Maddie Azar with Spectrum Art Creations. Thank you for considering becoming a SACs Academy member. Let me take a minute and explain. What is SACs Academy? Why should you become a member? And how do you join? Simply put, the membership to our channel is a way for you to support content creators like us to continue to bring you quality content. Our tutorials take time to film, hours of editing, supplies, equipment, paid programs to achieve an appealing and cohesive video. Behind every video you see are hours of work, and your membership, which starts at just $2.99, which is much less than a cup of coffee, can make a huge difference to us. But wait, I have more reasons why you should become a member. Did you know there's all kinds of great bonuses and perks in it for you as well? Yep, that's right. Not only will you be a patron to the arts, but you will also get custom emojis, loyalty badges, and priority status on your comments. So let's talk about each of those really quickly. The custom emojis are exclusive emojis only available to our Academy members. When in chat or commenting, you can use those emojis to stand out. They are unique just for our members. The loyalty badges will appear next to your name and will change over time. So the longer you are a member, the higher the badge, all the way up to silver and gold. And we are planning a little something extra for those levels, so make sure to keep your membership active. Your video and live comments will actually stand out and get priority status as well. So just by becoming a member, you will receive all of those perks. With our next level, which is the Academy student, you will receive all of the above perks again, the emojis, the loyalty badges, the priority status. But here's where it gets amazing. As an Academy student, you will get access to exclusive videos, including full classes and workshops. These exclusive classes, videos, and workshops are exclusive starting at the student level and are super easy to access. All you have to do is visit our channel like you normally do. No need to go to any special website or log into a different web page. You simply visit our channel and you will see those classes highlighted in green. Plus, I've created a custom thumbnail to make them easy for you to find. You will have access to all of our tutorials, classes, and custom workshops, in addition to all of our other videos in one place. Now, our next level is the Academy VIPs, and they get all the perks, the emojis, the badges, the priority status, the exclusive classes, workshops, plus VIPs will get the added bonus of members only live streams. This is a very exclusive area where we'll get more of that one-on-one time. It's up close and personal, so it will be a great opportunity for Q&As, hangouts, monthly crop nights, and behind the scene time. So now you know what SACs Academy is and all the goodies and amazing perks that are in it for you. So I'm sure you're asking, how do I join? Well, very simple. All you need to do in order to join is to click on the join button located in our channel and then choose your level. There are several different levels like level 1, level 2, and level 3, which we've just covered. Click on the join button. It will walk you through the prompts in order to become a member. Just choose the level that is right for you. So if you enjoy mixed media, journaling, card making, paper crafting, DIYs, and just arts and crafts in general, I hope you will consider becoming a SACs Academy member. So what are you waiting for? Start enjoying your benefits immediately, right now.